I got this jet ski cover on Amazon and I wanted to show you what it looks like as I take it out of the bag. So a very nice bag that comes in, mesh bag with a cinch down sack. This is a nice size. It's a 126 by 135. Again, it comes with the cover in a nice cinch down and a nice pack here. And it comes with all of the components as well. It comes with all the straps for tying it down so you can trailer it. So very nice. I'm going to show you here as I unwrap what the rest looks like. You can see as I take it out of here, again, take it out. You're talking the 600D solution dyed polyester fabric. Nice size, nice quality, anti-fade. It's double stitched, so again, very nice. It's got the elastic here. It's got the tie downs here. There's on it. I'll show you that when I put it on. See, I have this on my jet ski now. It fits the size. Super nice quality. You can see I've talked about the reinforceable corners, the nice double stitching that's on there. It has all your tie downs here for tying it down to make it trailerable. So very nice. All the tie downs on the side. It comes with your easy to access zip pocket here where you can access the inner workings of your jet ski if you needed to get inside of there. Again, it's anti-fade, very nice. Windproof, waterproof zippers. So again, the quality of this out of the package, super nice. I'm impressed thus far. Again, cinched down that jet ski nice for a nice towable ride. I found this 126 by 135 jet ski cover on Amazon.